I'm just going to go in and fill in my brows using the ABH Brow Wiz pencil. This one is in the shade Ebony. Now I'm going in with some concealer just to clean up the outline. I'm also using the ABH concealer to do this. This one is in the shade number 12. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this loose setting powder just to set the concealer. Eyeshadow, I will be using this Morphe Naughty Eyeshadow palette. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. So pretty. It is a Valentine's Day look we're going for, so we're definitely going to be using a lot of these pinks and shimmers that's in here. The shade I'm grabbing is this one right here, and I'm just going to pack this on my eyelids. Next, I'm grabbing this shadow right here. So if you have any harsh lines, you want to go into your crease and just blend it out using that shadow. I do want to enhance that pink shadow a little bit more, so I'm just going back in with the pink and going right over it. I'm grabbing a smaller eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to grab this dark brown shadow right here, and this I'm only placed into the outer corners of my eyes, creating like a outer wing, but I'm only keeping it right here, right below my crease. And also you want to make sure that you're using a smaller eyeshadow brush for it, just so you have more control over the eyeshadow. Now I'm just going to go in with this shadow right here. It is like a super light pink shadow. It almost looks white, but I'm going to use this to highlight my brow bone. I'm going to grab this shadow right here. Not really showing up how I want it to show up, so we're just going to place this on the lids and leave it as is. You can still see a little shimmer, but it's not giving the shimmer that I really want it to give, so I'm just going to leave that alone. I'm just going to go in with a black liner and go in my waterline. Well, the top waterline, I don't really know what that is called, but I'm just going to go over it. For foundation, I'm going in with the House Labs foundation. This one is in the shade Medium Warm. I will have all the details listed down below for you guys. I'm going to apply some to the brush and blend it out. To contour my face, I will be using the House Lab contouring stick in the shade Taper. Next, to conceal my face, I'm going back in with the ABH concealer in the shade number 12.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long for a nigga so cheap and flex so D, sex so D. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you gotta pay and now you wildin'.
Then going in with my Real Techniques for a toothbrush, I'm just gonna blend out all the concealer. After blending the concealer around my mouth, I like to go back in with my foundation brush just to get rid of any harsh lines and just make everything look seamless.
You
Using this Juvia's Place blush. This one is in the shade Kimchi. Yeah, we're just gonna go in and pack this on here. I'm gonna also bring it up to like my eyes and my temples. Is that a little too much? No, I think that is just enough. And these blushes by Juvia's Place are so creamy and pigmented. Like, look at that, so pretty. Also just applying some to the tip of my nose. Also for this look, I'm gonna go in and do something that I rarely ever do, which is set my under eyes with a loose powder first. I recently got this Kimchi Puff Puff Pass powder. It is a pink loose powder. First, I'm going with the Kimchi pink powder. I'm going to go in with banana bread. I'm just going to set the other areas where I applied that concealer. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with the One Size foundation powder in the shade Medium Dark 5.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know.
And I'm going to go in and bronze my face using Fenty Beauty's Mocha Mommy.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT.
Then I'm going to take my Juvia's Place palette. This one is in the shade Dark. And I'm just going to contour my nose. Alright, now I'm just going to go in and dust away this powder and see what it's given. Okay, that is super pretty. I'm really liking that. I'm going to go back in with some of that Huda powder and I'm just going to apply this to the inner parts right here. This is just to brighten it. Also, this is not banana bread. This is the dual powder in the shade Cherry Peach. I'm going to take banana bread. I'm just going to carve out my cheekbones. Alright, now to dust away my under eyes, also add in some more blush. I'm going to go with this painted blush. This one is in the shade Baby Doll. Just look at how pretty this is. It's like a baby doll color. I absolutely love it. And this, I'm going to go over the setting powder and just dust it away. Now I'm just going to use a buffer brush and just dust away all of this powder. Now I'm just going to go with this Laura Mercier Ultra Blur Setting Powder and I'm just going to set my entire face. And I'm also going to top it off with a bit of the Danessa. This is the Liquid Blurring Balm Mattifying Setting Spray. And make sure you shake it really good. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to go with this pink liner. This is by Essence. This one is in the shade Crush on Lavender. And I'm just going to apply this to my waterline. And now I'm going to go back in with a bit of this pink shadow and just smoke out my waterline. Right now, going back in with one of my all-time favorite blushes. This is the Too Faced Cloud Crush blush in the shade Golden Hour. It has some shimmer to it, but this I absolutely love. And I'm just gonna apply this to the highest points of my cheekbones. Ooh, so pretty. This is such a gorgeous blush. Then going back in with this pink blush, I'm gonna apply this to my inner tear ducts. I don't know how it's gonna look just yet, but let's see. That just made the inner corners pop so much more. Now I'm just gonna apply some mascara to my bottom lashes, and that is pretty much it for the eyes. This Fenty's Diamond Bomb highlighter. This one is in the shade Pink Ice, and this I'm gonna apply to the tip of my nose. I am gagged. That is so pretty. Wow. Alright, for lips, I'm gonna outline my lips using the Makeup Forever lip liner in the shade Limitless Brown. I have this purple lip liner by NYX. I'm just gonna go right over the brown. And then now I have this pink lipstick by Sephora. This is the Sephora collection in the shade number 1. I'm just gonna apply this to the center of my lips. And then in the center of my lips, I'm going in with this Kiko gloss in the shade 31. I am gagged. Like, I don't know what I was expecting, but to be honest, I don't think I was expecting it to turn out this good. I definitely outdid myself with this one.